Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you a Goodwill haul. This is second quarter Goodwill haul. I try to do Goodwill hauls quarterly now. That helps to keep coins in my pocket. But I'm going to share with you some items. All of these items I have purchased for 50% off, and it's not a lot of items, and these are items that I will be refreshing my home with. I'm somewhat changing up my style around the home. So with that being said, we are about to get into this video, but before we get into this video, I'd like to thank all my loyal Losws family members for supporting me throughout this year. You all have showed up and showed out, and if you are not yet subscribed, why not subscribe? Click that bell notification 2 times so that you will receive all notifications each and every time that I upload, because we are going to be doing some things around this home. You are going to want to see it. So please make sure that you are subscribed, that bell notification is on, thumbs up the video, share the video, get down in the comments so that YouTube know that you like what I have going on over here. And with that being said, let's get into this haul. Okay, we're going to start off with something simple. If you have not been around, I do love having beautiful flowers around my home. And I have rose bushes on the back wall of front wall of my garage. So when I seen this, I thought this would be very beautiful to put out there on this wall. And I do plan on taking you guys along with sprucing up and adding new flowers to my wall outside. So this is the letters that spell out love. And they were 99 cents. So that means they would have been $3.98, $3.97, $3.96, but I got them for $2.45, and I will be painting them. So since it spelled out love, I'm going to use my Cricut and put some removable vinyl. It's going to say love, and then I'm going to put grows here and put some other little stuff on my wall. But stick around. Like I said, I'm going to share with you all this video once our bipolar weather stop playing around and go on and get warm. Found 2 beautiful and excellent condition lampshades for $2.99 a piece. And I don't know if you can see the brand right up there. I could not beat it, and I do have some gold lamps that I do plan on painting. They had like a very deep barrel lampshade on them, and I had thrifted them a couple of years ago, and I used to have them in my dining room as well, or more so over there on my entryway. So I cannot wait to use in $2.99 a piece, 50% off. I found this beautiful vase. It's a little beaten up, but it's still pretty. And this is a Home Goods vase, and it was $3.99. Could not beat that price at all. And you know I am a gold lover, so I will be changing the color on this. I found this unique, cute vase. so very cute. And I will be changing the color of this. And it was $2.99 with 50% off. And I just love the unique style of this vase. And you guys know I love vases. And I will link a video that I did maybe 2 years ago. And I titled it Vase Frenzy. But I just love unique, beautiful vases. It spoke to me immediately. And like I said, I am changing my style in my home. And if you look at the different pieces that I will be sharing with you, you probably can guess where I'm headed with the different pieces that I have. And if you can guess, leave me a comment down below. But this was $3.99, and this was at home original, and it was original price $19.99. So again, $3.99 with 50% off. I absolutely love this vase right here. And I have something similar to this, and it was silver, and it was from Burlington, and I painted it gold. But I'm not sure. I feel like this will be real pretty white. This was $4.99. And this is a beautiful, beautiful piece. And I will be doing a DIY with it. My last vessel. It is very heavy. And I'm loving the detailing of this vase. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint this or not, because I love the greens and some of the browns that's coming through on the leaf pattern. This is very beautiful. And it doesn't have a tag, but y'all, this was $4.99 with 50% off. And like I said, it is heavy. And it's beautiful. It has the velvet feet on the bottom. I could not beat this at all. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love the detailing on this. Yes. One more vase. And you all know I love me some glass. And this is just a fish bowl. But I am going to do a beautiful flower arrangement with this. And it was $4.99, 50% off. And I'm gonna need you guys to, like I said, click your notification bell so you can see what I'm going to do with this beautiful fish bowl. It is huge. I normally see the smaller ones. And like I said, this was just $4.99. And I'm excited about this item. I found this beautiful gray throw with the fringe in. And it was $4.99 as well. Very nice size. But it's a lightweight blanket and something good to add to my couch for the spring, summer vibe that I'm going to have going on in my living room. And also I found this beautiful apron. It's brand new in the pack, and it was $5.99. It says bless the chef. I love the pattern, the African pattern that it has on it. Then I also found 2 sets of placemats. And there is a set of 2 in each. And they were 99¢. And they are reversible. So I thought that was cool. I can mix and match or have the same pattern on each side. So I'm definitely can't wait to create a beautiful tablescape with these. And again, these were 99¢, so 50% off, $1 for 4. Okay, my next item are big items, so I'm about to go grab it, so give me one moment. This is the first item. And it's metal wall art, and I love the color, but it's going upstairs in my hallway, and upstairs is going to be white, gray, and black. So I will be changing out the color in this. And this was $9.99, but guys, I got this for $1. $1. I don't know if it was a misring, but she only charged me $1 for this. Now, these 2 items right here, I did not get on 50% off, but since I have been looking for these items, not in this particular form, but large print leaves, I was excited to have found not 1, but 2. And y'all, I have plans for these. At first I was gonna take the leaf out and just do something different with the box, but I changed my mind because I said I like the whole vibe of the leaves being in place of the box. I will be doing a DIY with these though. And if you have been a loyal family member, you know my favorite color. So get down in the comments and let me know what color you think I will be changing these to. But y'all, these were $9.99, and it says artwork, Dracaena shadow box. So I am loving this, and I cannot wait to spray paint my pieces and add my pieces to my home. Guys, this will complete my haul. I want you to get down in the comments and let me know, out of all my pieces, which ones that you like the most. And also get down in the comments and let me know if you know my favorite color, as well as what theme you think that I will be going for this summer in my home. All right, y'all. I thank you so much for stopping by. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. Bye-bye.